So here's how you can take a boring loop and add some real life to it. So take a loop like this. So that's a top loop. What we're going to do now is we're going to drag in a resonator, and we're going to select a resonator from Berlin. So we'll just drag that across to the loop, and out of the box it sounds like this. So that's quite a lot. So we're going to reduce the decay until we got to about 20 or so. So already it sounds a lot better. So we're going to go into our samples, we're going to select a drum loop, and we've already got a top drum loop, we're going to select a full drum loop. We'll just bring in any drum loop. So we've got one overlaying the other. It's loud, so we're just going to reduce the volume there. So on the resonator, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the decay and press on automation, and right click and select a shape like this. We don't ever really want to go to the maximum, and we don't ever really want to go to the minimum. We'll just have it playing around in the middle a little bit. So already there's a lot of cool movement. So now we want a bass line. So we're just going to click bass and select loop. And we've got a few options here. We'll just take any one of these options and we'll just plug it in like that. I'm not expecting it to sound amazingly good. So let's just take a quick listen. Just get the volume at the right level. What we're going to do now is go into here and then click on a 16th transient and take the transient shaper down to something like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is copy the Berlin resonator. So we're going to copy that into the bass line, and we'll take a listen to that. So if it's too wet, we can just reduce the dry wet. That sounds pretty cool.